Hello my friends, today we are talking about Blitz for cash. I have another video where I call Blitz unlegit because Blitz has two games. One where you pay money and do not have the chance to win money, and this one, which is called Blitz for cash, where you pay money and you can win money. I don't know why you would ever play the other one when this one is an option, but it is a thing. So make sure you get the one that says Blitz for cash. That's the one that you want here. In this video, we're going to give an overview of this app, the layout, the features, where you play, how you play. We're going to end with a game, as always, to teach you how to maximize your chances of winning this game. All right, so this tab right here, I haven't played enough of this game in order to unlock the Diamond League. As soon as I reach level 20, apparently, that will get me there, and I will earn one trophy for each $1 in prize won. Exciting. This one right here is where I see my results. We can see in this one right here, how do we do? Oh, not very well. But in this one right here, we got first. Hey, look at that. Be impressed. All right. So we're going to skip over the little game controller there because that's where we're going to end, because that's where you play. Let's go all the way over to the right here. This is where we put money into the game, and we also withdraw. You can see right here, we can put it in our PayPal, and we can pull this out. Minimum withdrawal amount is $5. Maximum is $100. And there's a 30,000 withdrawal limit per month, as if. I wonder if anyone has ever withdrawn anything even close to that per month. I feel like that's just a statement to get you excited that that's a possibility. That's funny. Now, what you see here, you see my account balance is $2.70. I can only pull out $1.10. You know, why is that? Well, that's because some of it is in bonus cash that I got by playing their little mini games and getting free gifts. Any cash that is awarded to you in the game from not winning a game is going to be bonus cash, which you can use to enter higher stakes games where you can get real money that you can withdraw, but initially that bonus cash is not withdrawable. Another thing that bonus cash is very shisty and tricky is when you go to withdraw any money, you will forfeit your bonus cash. So if you have $25 in your account and $5 of bonus cash, you'll have to flush the $5 of bonus cash down the drain. Don't feel too bad about that. It's not real money, though unfortunately it could become real money should you play a game with it and win. Now, one more thing about bonus cash, when you pay the entry fee for a game, this game will automatically use whatever bonus cash you have in the bank. Why is that important? Well, when you win that game, it will pay you back up to the amount of your entry fee in bonus cash. So if you played a $5 game and there's a $10 buyout, winner takes all. I know that's not how it works, but let's just pretend so my simple, stupid brain doesn't have to do math. You're going to pay $5. Let's say you have the $5 in bonus cash. You win that game, you get first place, winner takes all, you get $10. You go to withdraw, yeah, I'm going home with my $10. Nope. You're going home with your $5 because 5 of those dollars will be returned to you as bonus cash, which you can't withdraw. So unfortunately, you have to play some higher stakes games in order to convert your bonus bucks into real bucks that you can actually withdraw, right? Because anything above that $5 mark that you paid will be given to you as actual cash that you can win. So let's not let ourselves be tricked by the shisty wordplay and definitional trickery that these games employ. And that's pretty much universal across all of these games. That's how bonus cash works. This is also where you go to get a promo code, or where you enter it. If you already have this app downloaded, you can, and have not made a withdrawal, you can use the code in the description beneath this video for this app. Or if you have not, oh, I have voice talk to text on, so it's trying to text it out. Nice. If you have not downloaded this game, there's a link in the description below that will do it all for you, and you kind of auto apply the code to. When you click on that link, it'll take you to the App Store, download the game, and then you will automatically get your, I think it's $5 bonus money immediately, and then I think you get 5 more bonus dollars when you make your first deposit. Hopefully you never have to do that, but it will give you a total of 10 extra dollars. Again, now these are bonus dollars. You cannot withdraw them, but you can use them to enter some higher stakes games. So it's kind of cool to get those starting dollars and enter without ever having to put some money into this game. Over here in the little gift tab, this is where we get gifts. Make sure you start the day here because you want to get that coin gift, and then you want to get that daily reward as well. This one has pretty good daily rewards in that it actually offers real cash. It doesn't seem like a lot, top maybe. You know, you get 10 cents at day 3 and 30 cents at day 7. However, this one has a lot of entry fee variance in the games that they allow you to play, and that can be enough to get you into an actual cash game. Win it, you start that streak rolling, baby. Along the top bar there, you can see I'm at the 15th level, 43% of the way to the 16th. I have 190 of those little B coins, just another in-game currency. And then $2.70, and I can hit the little plus over there should I want to take me to the tab automatically where I can deposit money. If I click on my little face up here, I can edit my profile. There's the withdraw button as well, frequently asked questions, contact us, balance history, all that good stuff right there. As always, I am of course rocking the Hebrew Hammer, paragon of justice, protector of Italian virginity. Spent a whole year in silence just to better understand the sound of a whisper. Rest in peace, Heath Ledger, you beautiful man. Alright, so check it out. We got a lot of games up in here. We got some big honking ones up there, all the way down to some little guys over here where you're paying 50 cents plus 250 of those coins. There down at the bottom is that 800 coins to get $2.50 for real money. Now, when I first got this app, I won that game twice in a row, and it got me like $4, and then I've just kind of been always in the money since then. Obviously not killing it. I still, I only have $2.70, but it was enough to get my ball rolling, and I've never not been able to play a game when I want to on this app ever since. Now, as we've talked about in a lot of my other videos, odds of winning that game, all skill aside, exponentially decreases. So you want to have as little players in the game. I would much rather play a game with fewer players and low winnings than higher players and high winnings, right? Play a lot. And, playing is fun, so you just get to play more. That's awesome. What I also really like here, sorry I'm blabbing on, but I like this, so we're going to keep talking about it. They have a really unique option, which not a lot of apps have, which is this head-to-head. This is a two-person game, winner takes all. I really like those. In fact, let's do it. So I'm paying 60 cents, and I will win $1, which really means I will win 40 cents. Make sure we do our math, and we don't get arrogant and let our hubris trick us into thinking that we're actually winning more money than we are, not calculating our entry fee, because they don't do the math for you. Now, as we play this game, of course, the first thing that we want to do is be fast. How I'm doing that primarily is I am seeing the color of the number that comes up, I am matching it to the color along the top row there, and then only looking in that row for that number. It's only going to be there. Don't look over the whole board. That'll waste your time. This one has a little bit of a unique power-up system, which is full right now, so we need to not get any more. Let's see here. Let's get 59.62. In that they stack, so I only have access. I still have all the ones that come up, but I only have access to the topmost one, which makes this game a little bit more dynamic, and then I kind of have to get my order correctly. If I get a ×2 power up, I want to try to cover that one with other ones so I can wait to the end of the game where I really want that ×2 power up, right? Sometimes you're forced to use it to get at the juice underneath because you never want to just let your bar be full, and it tells you that it's full there. So right now, I'm unfortunately, when another one comes up, going to have to put it. There we go. Now, if I can get a bingo, which I can because I have all 4 corners, nice, then I will go ahead and do that right now. Let's get this ×2 again. Oh, I probably shouldn't have done that. Well, I think we had to. 17, cool. Let's do this 25, 17. Oh, wow, we got another one of those. Okay. I was going to go ahead and get the bingo again, but I have another power up, so let's try to cover that one up. That'll be great. 40, where are we at? Come on. Oh, we got 7 seconds left. I better hustle here. Oh, some more time. Okay, thank you very much. 54, not doing it for me. Keep an eye on that time up there, team. Let's go ahead and hit that. Oh, I wanted to hit the ×2, darn it. 3 seconds left. We got this. 46. Nope. Okay, we got to get it. Whew. Coming down to the wire there. All right, let's see how we did. This game, I would say, is a medium amount of bingos. A lot of the games, you get a lot of bingos. Some of them you can hardly be expected to get one. This one, 3 or 4. Oh, we're still waiting on the other ones. I want to make sure that everyone gets their fair share here. Go ahead and comment on this video, including the phrase best day ever, and subscribe to my channel. Every 30 days, I pick a new person, and I will get your promo code and put it in the description of one of my videos. That way, for a whole 30 days, you get the bonus cash whenever anyone uses the links below to start them off with some bonus cash. So you get to feel good about giving away bonus cash, and you get to feel twice as good because you get to get that juicy bonus cash. And it's cool to get one thing of startup bonus cash, but sometimes you log in and you'll have 5 people who started. Well, in this game, that would be $25. And if any one of them deposited anything, that would be $5 more. Just the other week, I logged into one of the other games that had the little dig system where you dig for gold when someone logs in. I had 6 of those. I won $55 that I get free money to play because you lovely folk used my link below to get yourself some starting up cash, and it gave me some free digs, which gives me bonus cash as well. So it's pretty cool, pretty exciting, a great way to share the love with all of you lovely listeners. So make sure you do that. While we're waiting for that other game, let me show you one more feature of this app that's a pretty big feature. I can't believe I missed it when I went through it originally. But up here, I'm in the bingo game right now, where if I hit this little left arrow at the upper left-hand corner, this will take me to the home screen where I can select any of these games. So if you really like playing Solitaire, Tri-Peaks, or Ball Blast, or Dominoes, 21 Blackjack, it's got a whole suite of games at your disposal to play should you want to switch it up a little bit and not play bingo. Unfortunately for you, I don't really play any of these other games, so I haven't figured out the best way to win any of them. So maybe you'll have to let me know if you are expert at any of these games. Not that I'm expert at this game, but I played a lot of bingo. I feel like I know my way around the digital bingo space pretty well at this point. So I just wanted to show everyone that there is a whole lot other games that you can in fact play within this app, not just bingo. But I'm a bingo boy, so we stick with the bingo. I'm a bingo boy. You guys remember the Island Boy fad that came out? If you haven't seen the video, go watch it. Just type in Island Boys on YouTube. It's got like 25 million views, I'm sure. They were a fad for half a year, with the world laughing and them thinking they were awesome and so hard. And Island Boys, but they're from Florida, so I'm not really sure where the island part comes into it. Anyway, I digress. Back to bingo. Alright, my friends, that final game came in. How did we do? Let's see it. Come on. Baby, baby, I get down on my knees for you. Hey, Haley. Actually, that's a pretty funny name. I commend you for your name, Haley. You put up a good show and just barely lost on that one. So, man, just a few more perfect dobs and she would have had me right there. Just a few 100 points under mine. Hey, Haley. Hey, better luck next time. All right, I'll take my $1. Thank you very much. Anyway, I hope this helps, guys. May luck be with you, and of course, have the best day ever. And if you like playing games where you can win real money, watch the next video on my channel right here.